Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got some Super Bihun from Indonesia. This is a mie goreng made with rice vermicelli, and it comes with a heart and a bomb on the wrapper. I'm hoping you're able to see that. And yeah, we've got Matt B again on the show, the esteemed author. How are you doing?
Ahoy, hoy.
So we're gonna talk, but first we're gonna do, we missed out on, I forgot all about doing the Momofuku Ando quote yesterday. I'm a bad person. We're gonna do it today 2 times. So, let's see. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Number 263, chicken ramen has acquired the status of mother's cooking. So chicken ramen is the original instant noodle that he came up with in 1958. I would agree with that because mainly that is something my mom made, and that's yeah, that's solid stuff. That's where I got my start with the instant noodle, was that stuff. And yeah, so number 264, when you choose a fish, pay attention to its freshness. Look at the eyes. They should be as clear as a baby's. Open the gills and check inside. They should be a faint rosy pink. There you go.
Wow.
That's what we're looking for.
That's a beautiful wisdom there.
But we're gonna do this. This is a mie goreng made with rice vermicelli from Indonesia that looks like absolutely kooky. So let's get it all kooky.
This is the one with sea greens, man.
No, we had that earlier.
Aw.
But speaking of sea greens,
Hey.
yeah. Plankton? Plankton?
Fish, plankton, sea greens,
And protein from the sea. Absolutely.
Great stuff, right?
That's a line from the Pulitzer Prize, Emmy, and Oscar Award-winning film, Logan's Run, a film that we find most enjoyable, along with Dune and Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome, the shimmering jewel of that franchise. So New Dune is coming out in October?
Correct, October 1st.
For real or for maybe? Because they keep throwing out...
Announced.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been done and it's been ready for release for like a year and a half. It just, kept getting bumped because of production schedules for other movies, and then the pandemic hit, closed out all the theaters. But since they did attach the word, excuse me, streaming to that release date, I feel assured that it will be held to, because they'll just release it no matter what on people's TV screens, you know what I mean?
Well, have they pushed out anything on HBO Max? They did, didn't they? Didn't they push something out as kind of like a grand opening deal for that?
Zack Snyder's Justice League, a 4-hour film.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, that was an awesome movie, man.
I would hope so. We almost ended our friendship over it.
You're a dick. You're a dick.
What? What, dude?
I was trying to set up a platform where people could rave about something they love, and you're just talking smack about it. And I was just like, you're unrestricted for a while, Mr. Negative.
See, personally, I'm not into the whole comic book thing.
Cool. Other people are, and they have the right to enjoy something without you crapping all over their faces.
No, they don't. No, I'm sorry. There's plenty of people in different, into different things, dude, I would give you so much crap if you were a brony, for example. Are you a brony? Do you collect My Little Ponies and you enjoy the program because it has a really good plot? I mean...
I have a little My Little Pony hanging from my wall right here, a stuffed plush toy, and also have a shirt that says, I love bronies, so...
I don't think you do.
I do.
I think you're just trying to win. I think you caught that.
No, I really do have these shirts. Have that shirt.
Well, we'll have to do an independent investigation. We'll do a yellow ribbon investigation. We'll get a Senate subcommittee involved on this. But I think you're full of crap, dude. What else we got? We got Logan's Run is good. I remember reading the book for that.
That's what I should do. I should read the book on that. Yeah.
I can't remember. Is it Alan Dean Foster or David Gerald? It's one or the other. But I remember reading it in school, and the book is a lot different from the movie. Whoa. It's pretty racy. There's like...
Yeah, I would imagine so.
Like, Logan gets, like, raped by these wild girls, like,
oh my God,
multiple times. Like, the first time was enjoyable. The next one hurt. The last one was absolutely painful. It's like, dude, whatever. But, yeah, I was like, whoa, and I'm sitting there in, like, English class going, well, I'm reading a book, I'm doing what I'm supposed to, but wow. I'm not gonna get in trouble for this. Oh look, the bowls! These bowls are great for making a cake. I'm gonna bake a cake later. I'm gonna bake a cake because I was preheating my chicken nuggets last night and I forgot the cake was in the oven. Yeah. But Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome, truly a tour de force of the cinema. Possibly the best movie ever made. Ever. Wouldn't you agree with that?
Case could be made.
There are no finer films than Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome.
A case could be made, friend. Yes.
What's that noise?
That's me setting up an episode of Star Trek Enterprise to watch while I eat breakfast.
Ah, so...
I'm on Acquisition where they meet the Ferengi. Ferengi!
Yeah, you know, the Momofuku Ando Speaks book is so much like the Ferengi Rules of Acquisition. I mean, really. It's all these quotes, but it's like they're all numbered, just the same kind of deal. I think there's a definite dual kinship for those such things. But it's kind of weird when you see the Ferengi in like a prequel.
And they don't make movies like Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome anymore, do they? Unless it's the new Mad Max movie, which, you know, wasn't on the same scope of mythology that brought you into that world and just really gave you an overview of everything that had happened up to that point and all the things that were going on, the different cultures. But
it wasn't even Max. It wasn't even about Max.
No, it was about Furiosa, and the next one's going to be about Furiosa. It's going to be her movie, yeah, and it's going to be when she's younger too.
Well, I'm sure it wouldn't. I mean, is what's his face going to do a cameo or something? No,
I don't know. No, it's going to be when she's younger, so most likely not. However, maybe Tom Hardy is doing another.
Maybe.
I think he was a great Mad Max. I mean, he was cool. I love that actor, and if there's anybody who could play him, it's him, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I mean, you could at least have some kind of spot where you see Mel Gibson in there. I mean, he's Mad Max. You can't redo that.
He is making another one. Mad Max: The Wasteland. No release date.
So it's in the thinking.
Yep, in the thinking stage, just being announced.
Thinky.
Yeah, thinking about my pinky.
But yeah, it's like they should have done a TV show. They should have had a Saturday morning cartoon of Mad Max. There's so many different opportunities that were missed out in the 80s, you know?
Right.
I mean, if they could have Hulk Hogan's Rock and Wrestling going on in the morning. I mean, that was obscene. Do you remember that?
Hulk Hogan. I remember the WWF cartoon.
Yeah.
Where it was like the good wrestlers against the bad wrestlers, right?
Yeah, it was kind of like the Justice League, the Laugh Olympics. Remember that? With the Yogi Bear and this and that, and there was all like the dastardly mutt or whatever his name. They did that too. They did like the Justice League All-Star game thing. I remember that. Okay, let's see how this is. This has just turned into like a porridgey mess. It's very mucky muck. But it smells good. It smells like mee goreng, but it's going to be very pasty. I must have done something wrong. Somebody will say I did something wrong. They never fail to correct me when I do wrong.
That's wonderful.
Now I'm going to look at a picture of it. Well, it looks about the same, but it's very, very pasty. Oh well. I think I may eat that.
Good.
Yeah, I don't usually eat things.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Yeah. Rice vermicelli. Mee goreng. Alright. There's our rice vermicelli mee goreng. And if you're gonna have mee goreng, let's see, are you gonna slip and slide? Ooh, you are. You're gonna slip and slide, flip, flop, and fly. Right in. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll get a spatula. God. Why wouldn't you work with me at least this one time? Come on, Egg. I guess I just didn't get it greasy enough. I don't know. Feels like one of those weeks. Just not getting my egg greased enough. There we are. And a wee bit of coriander alongside. Now we have a beautiful, beautiful place we can all call home. In our minds. Well, not in my mind. Because this is my home. This is the home I am in.
And a wonderful home it is, huh?
It really is. It really, truly. When you think about places you'd want to be, who'd want to be anywhere other than here? Everybody wants to be where I am at all times. Actually, I don't think that's true. Here we go, Rotato. Thank you for watching Instant Noodle Recipe Time. We've been joined by Mr. Matt Bella. How's it going? Thank you for joining us. Have a good one and bye-bye.